Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm assassinghost and today we are going to talk about what are NFTs and how you can win one for free. NFTs basically stands for non-fungible tokens. NFT. So basically there is a difference between fungible tokens and non-fungible tokens. So fungible tokens are the one you might have heard of, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, SOL or Sol coins. Like there are all the popular tokens that you have heard are fungible. By fungible, I mean that they can be exchanged with a different item of equal value. So for example, if you have one Bitcoin and somebody say that I would like to trade this Bitcoin with my Bitcoin, then you'll be happy to share because they both have same value. It is similar to dollar bill. So for example, if you have a dollar bill and somebody says that I want to exchange your dollar bill with my dollar bill, then you can easily just exchange it. You won't have any problem with that because both of them have the same value. But with non-fungible tokens, which are also known as NFTs, there is only one copy of what you're holding. So for example, if you're holding a digital asset, you can be rest assured that there is only one copy that exists in entire world and you are the sole holder of that token. And that's why it's non-fungible, because even you can't exchange it with something because it is the only copy that exists. And since it's on blockchain, it is like almost impossible to make a duplicate copy, or like they are really secure, and you can be rest assured that whatever you are holding, whatever digital art or whatever NFT which you have, is the only piece that you have, and that's what makes it unique. So basically people are trying to create NFTs are basically digital assets. For example, photo, video or other digital content which are then uploaded on blockchain, and they are assigned a signature, like they are assigned a key, which means that they are the only one, and that's why people are rushing to buy them and they are basically holding it. So there is also a meme circulating that NFTs are like images, so why can't I just go ahead and screenshot it, or I can just download it? Then why do I need to purchase the NFT? So for that you have to understand that let me give you an example. So basically there is a painting of Mona Lisa, right? And we can just go ahead and search on Google Mona Lisa, and we'll get a ton of images, different images. We can also get it printed as a hard copy, and we can just hang it on our walls. But that Mona Lisa won't be the actual one that some collector might be having. So for example, the actual Mona Lisa might be in some museum or with some collector who have paid a ton of money for it. And that's why even if your copy looks similar to the Mona Lisa, it's worth nothing. Like it's almost worth nothing. So that's why for those people who are saying that I can just go ahead and screenshot the NFT and that way I will get it, they just can't get it, because the screenshot won't be like a screenshot. That screenshot can't be verified on the blockchain. No one can go and look it up and say that yes, this is the original one, because if you have the original NFT, you can just go on the blockchain and verify its authenticity. And that's why like that meme is not gonna hold any waters. And that's why NFTs are gaining craze. They are basically a way to support your creators or digital artists who are like really trying to push out great and unique NFTs for everyone. So actually people are getting really interested in NFTs these days. So that is what NFTs are all about. Now let's talk about how you can get a free NFT. So basically I'm partnered with, full disclosure, I'm actually a partner with Town NFT. So they just launched a collection named as Ghost Town, and they are like unique little ghosts for everyone, and each of the ghosts has its own rarity point. So basically if you mint it in its current state, it is going to cost you 0.2 Sol. But after a few days, all the price of the NFT will be locked to 0.6 Sol, and it will keep increasing as the collection progresses and the people behind it start promoting it. So in order to win a free NFT for yourself, I will put a Discord link in the description. You can just join it, and like Town NFT people are running giveaways like every single day, and you can just go ahead and participate in the giveaway, and if you are lucky you can just win one. And there are also like different campaigns running which will ensure that you can win an NFT. So this is by far the easiest way to get an NFT. Or if you don't want to participate in the giveaway or don't want to wait or do something like that, you can just go to the website, and on the website you can see a link to mint. Like you can see this is the link to mint, and this is the actual website where we have all the social media links like Discord, Twitter, Instagram, and different things. But if you want, you can just go ahead and click on this mint, and you can mint the host for yourself. So this is how you can get a free NFT, and this is what NFTs are all about. So basically, if you want to participate in the giveaway, be sure to join the Discord. And if you just want to communicate with the engage with the community, you can also join the Discord. So if you like this video, be sure to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Peace.